Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. So today I'm giving an update on our brand new workshop, our 200-ton capacity heavy machinery workshop. And then as you can see, all the steel structures are being installed properly, and then we are putting up some fireworks to celebrate this special day. And this is a big day for everyone who's in this company. And then so in our next video, we will also keep up on the progress of this new workshop, because the next step will be installing the roof and also the walls of this brand new workshop. So hopefully in the next 3 months, we will be installing the 300-ton tank cranes. It is finished and it's doing quality inspection right now. So after that, we will be installing the 200-ton tank crane, and then we'll put up the roof and also the walls. So yeah, let's look forward to that. Thank you guys.